Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to English classroom for standard 7. We shall start today new lesson, that is news analysis. In your textbook it is on page number 71. So open page number 71, lesson number 3.5, news analysis. I am going to read this lesson. See on your screen. You may open your books, textbook. Yes, there is a news I am going to read. Listen. Closed shoes not allowed in examination halls. This is a news from Bengaluru. Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bengaluru, has recently issued a list of do's and don'ts for candidates taking the entrance test to the prestigious institute this year. The candidates will not be allowed to enter the examination hall wearing closed shoes, boots, even socks. Other items which will not be allowed inside include mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculators, and other electronic gadgets, pouches, printed or blank paper, and even pens. The pen will be provided in the hall by the invigilators. So, this is a news with a headline that closed shoes not allowed in examination hall. This is a news from Bengaluru, in the city Bengaluru. This is the news of the institute, Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology. Recently issued a list of do's and don'ts, means what to do and what not to do for candidates taking the entrance test to the prestigious institute this year. जिस इंस्टीट्यूट में एंट्रेंस टेस्ट दे रहे हैं उनके लिए कौन कौन सी चीज़ें उनको करना है और कौन सी नहीं करना है. So this is the paragraph, this is a news which is printed in a newspaper. Some questions are asked below it. Let's see, shall we answer or not? What is the meaning of issued, candidates, and invigilator? These are three words. In the first question, it is asking the meaning of issued. Issue करना, किसी चीज़ को provide करना. Candidates, the person or the students who are going to appear in the exam, that is called candidate. And invigilator, who is present in the examination hall to keep watch on the student or to take care in the examination hall, that is invigilator. Who is conducting the test? The test is conducted by Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bengaluru. Discuss the following in group of 4 or 5. Why is closed footwear, shoes or socks not allowed in the examination hall? एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में शूज़ और सॉक्स अलाउड क्यों नहीं है, ये आपको डिस्कस करना है ग्रुप में. वाई वॉज द इंस्टीट्यूट नॉट अलाउड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स इन द हॉल? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स हॉल में अलाउड क्यों नहीं है? Why has the institute not allowed electronic gadgets in the hall? Next, what other measures can be taken to prevent copying? कॉपी से बचने के लिए और कौन से हम मीज़र्स, कौन सी तदबीरें कर सकते हैं और क्या हम कर सकते हैं कॉपी से एग्ज़ाम्स को मुक्त करने के लिए, बचाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट, वाई इज़ दिस न्यूज़ पब्लिश्ड इन न्यूज़पेपर्स? ये न्यूज़पेपर में क्यों पब्लिश हुई है? ये इसके आंसर आपको देना है. आपको यू हैव टू थिंक योर सेल्फ why all these things should happen. This is the first paragraph, first news of this lesson, news A, and some questions are asked below it. There are some more news B, C, and D. We shall read and study one by one. Shall we? Okay, we shall stop here, and I shall see how to deal with the next news in your next lecture. Okay, till then you have to write the answers of all these questions which is asked in the first, that is first news. For the first news which questions are asked, you have to write the answer of that questions in your CW notebook.